Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside your iMovie project. Tap the clip and get it ready now. First, trim down to the exact section you'll zoom so effects apply cleanly. Then, tap the clip and open the inspector or shortcut that exposes transform controls. This matters because precise start points determine how natural the zoom looks. Once done, make sure your clip is selected and the playhead is at the frame where you want the zoom to begin. Next, apply the Ken Burns effect. That's the built-in zoom and pan tool. You'll see start and end frames. Tap start to place the initial framing, then pinch to zoom or drag to reposition. Repeat for end to set the final framing. This method gives smooth motion without keyframes. Make adjustments slowly while previewing because the distance between frames plus clip duration controls speed. If the motion feels fast, lengthen the clip. For snappy zooms, shorten it. Finish by refining. Split the clip where needed to apply different zooms and small adjustments to start/end frames for tighter focus. Once satisfied, export using the highest quality setting so the zoom remains crisp on playback. If you see jitter or sudden jumps, it usually means frames were moved or the clip was accidentally resized. Reapply Ken Burns to the affected segment, retime the clip, and if problems persist, close and reopen iMovie. That often clears cache-related glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.